What we're trying to do today is, get people to leave their cars at home, come on the bus and do their bit for the environment. Hopefully with the bus fares that we're promoting at the moment, which is our Mango card, which gives you 25% discount off for any journey that you make, hopefully that can save you some money on the pocket too. But as you can see behind us, we've got the kids learning how to be bus drivers in the future as well.
We're here promoting cycling, cycle training for adults and children, cycle routes around the county of Nottinghamshire and within the city, offering free maps and generally showing that cycling is for everybody.
We're a local organic farm producer. There are lots of people out there who value the environment, and that's a lot of people choose for that reason alone. But to be honest with you, the vast majority of people tell us nothing to do with that. It is about taste.
We have lots of visitors and beautiful gardens and a playground and a cafe and a shop. So we've developed it over the years. People have often described it as a green oasis in the middle of the city because we are just a small walk from the city centre. And that's exactly what it is. It's a little farm. So you can be in the countryside whilst you're in the middle of Nottingham. It's great.
We're representing the Nottinghamshire Beekeeping Association. And really our purpose today is information. Lots of people are very interested in bees, particularly with a lot of press about the decline in the bee population.
This is a vertical strawberry planter with 9 plants in it, and it can be rotated so they will get plenty of sun.
We're finding that a lot of people are coming back to farm shops instead of supermarkets. We're getting a lot of comments from people saying things like, this is how meat used to taste.
We're a local West Bridgford-based PV specialist installer.
Lots of fun with all the children, everyone's joined in. So it's all music, singing, movement, instrument playing.
Solar Heat are a renewable energy solutions company. We do the installation of solar, both solar PV and solar thermal, which is the hot water system.